Hey, I've got something that might just make your work week better. If you're watching this video, chances are you're thinking about starting something new. I want to show you how to get into trading without overwhelm, pressure, or that feeling that it's just too complicated. My name is Simon Becker and I've been trading for the past 9 years. But this video is not about me, it's about you. About how you can get access to my community where we break down the market in real time, step by step. I explain my trades, walk through the logic behind them, and answer questions along the way. Everything is built for people starting from scratch. There's no heavy jargon, no expectation that you need to understand everything at once. You just tune in, watch, observe, and bit by bit you start to get the picture. If you're curious to give it a try, take the first step. Click the link in the pinned comment and join us. And now let me show you how I trade live with my subscribers. The perfect theory is real practice. Let's get started. The platform is open and I'm ready to work calmly and step by step. Today I'll begin with 4 assets. And first I'm adding 2 indicators that help me analyze the market. RSI shows whether the price is closer to the upper or lower end of the range, while MACD helps determine the overall trend direction. These tools help to make informed decisions. Everything set, I'm focused and using my proven approach. Let's begin calmly and observe the market movement carefully. Looking at the chart now, I see the price has reached a level where it previously stalled and then dropped slightly. That means the growth has stopped and the market is moving sideways with no clear upward or downward trend. When the market behaves this way, the perfect strategy is to watch the boundaries of the range where the price tends to reverse from the top or bottom. Right now, the price has approached the upper boundary again, and I expect it to go down as it did before. I'm going down. The indicator also suggests the market hasn't chosen a direction yet, confirming that we're in a period of low volatility. I based my decision on the chart behavior and the market responded as expected at this stage. A good example of using price structure in practice. Now I'm going down. Why? The chart shows that the price has been climbing for a long time, steadily moving higher and higher, but now the indicators are suggesting that this upward momentum is slowing down. It's like a car going uphill and starting to lose speed. Usually when such signals appear, the price may pull back or even reverse. That's why I'm going down to take advantage of that moment. The situation developed quickly and I made the decision based on analysis. These are the moments that help you understand how the market works. Going down again, let me explain why. There's a level on the chart the price has tested multiple times but failed to break through, like a ceiling it keeps hitting. This time the price reached that level again and bounced off. Indicators also show weakening bullish momentum. This might be the start of a reversal or at least a small drop, so I'm going down and watch how things unfold. The indicators pointed the way and price action confirmed it, a good milestone to reinforce the skill. I'm going up now. Why? The chart shows the price is moving within a defined range, like a corridor, but here's what stands out. Each time the price gets close to the lower edge, it gets picked up and pushed back up. It never quite reaches the bottom. This could be a sign that buyers are preparing for an upward breakout. I also see the prices gradually pressing against the top of the range, which could lead to a breakout. So after a small pause and pullback, I'm going up and watching how it goes. Everything's unfolding as expected. Let's keep going and monitor the changes on the chart. You've completed the first step. It's like opening a map before setting off on a journey. Now you know where north is, where south is, and most importantly, where you are. The next move is to pick a direction. In my trading club, you're not just watching, you're on a path. Each live session is a compass point. I show what I see in the market, explain every step, and break things down with the group. You don't don't have to go it alone. The community is a space where you can ask questions, get feedback, and feel like you're moving forward with clarity. No guessing in the dark. If you're ready to keep going, click the link in the pinned comment. I'll meet you live and help you guide the next step. The key is don't stop at the starting line. Let's keep trading. I'm going up because the price is staying within a tight range and not dropping lower, which suggests market participants are willing to support it at this level. Right now, the price is at the bottom of this range and I'm going up. The entry was well timed. The market moved in the direction I had anticipated for the setup, continuing with the plan. I'm going up. The price had been stuck at one level for a while, almost like it was building momentum, and now it started to move up. One of the indicators shows a reversal and the other has bounced off the lower limit. That's a potential signal that the upward move is just beginning. I identified the direction based on price behavior. So far, everything aligns with the current trend logic. Now I'm going down. The price has reached this level but couldn't break higher. The chart shows a pattern that often signals a stall in upward movements. It looks like sellers are defending this level actively, so I'm going down. Price action confirmed my assumption. This scenario played out within the expectations I had based on analysis. Going down here, the price pushed above a previous level, but the indicators didn't confirm it. That could be a signal the trend is weakening. A familiar reversal pattern formed on the chart, followed by a downward candle. That confirmed the signal, so I decided to go down. The market moved just as the setup suggested. Now it's important to stay calm and stick to the steps of the strategy. Going down again, I see the price broke through an important level and shot up, but then started drifting back down slowly. That's what we call a correction. The indicators also show signs of slowing. MACD has turned downward and RSI left the overbought zone, which often happens when the price is overheated. Now the price is returning to previous area of accumulation, a zone where the market paused and built volume before the breakout. Price often returns to these areas to test them. There's still room before we get there, so I'm going down now, expecting the price to continue down to that target. This result wraps up today's trading session. This session showed just how important it is to take your time and carefully analyze price and indicators. This kind of approach helps reduce randomness and makes trading more deliberate. If you stay consistent and don't give in to emotions, you'll steadily grow your trading skills. You just saw how trading can be simple, clear, and accessible when you have a solid plan. Now you've got a choice: leave things the way they are or try something new. Imagine you are standing at a crossroads. One path is the same familiar road you've walked before. The other leads to new opportunities, knowledge, and growth. Inside my trading community, you'll find a step-by-step strategy, a supportive group, and real trade examples to help you understand things from the ground up. If you're ready to learn more, click the link in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. It only gets better from here. See you inside.